Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Kumar Verma, and today I am going to discuss the questions of RS Agrawal. But before, I want to correct something. Here, exercise 3.2 NCRT. Here, prime number I written and composite number I also written. But here, something is left. What? 9 and 15. They are also composite. I think you must know this because 9 divisible by 1, 3 and 9 more than 2 factors, and 15 also divisible by 1, 3, 5. So I think you all correct it. So if not correct, to correct it. Clear, students? 9 and 15 are also a composite number. Now student, today we will solve RS Agrawal, and remember in RS Agrawal, according to NCRT, chapter 2 you have to study. Clear? In chapter 2, this is multiple and factor, and in NCRT, playing with number. Both are same. So in RS Agrawal, you have to study the chapter 2. Now here, I will explain the question which is different from NCRT. The first exercise 2A is very same. So I am going to explain exercise 2B. 11th question, because all other questions are easy, you are able to solve yourself. What is given? Replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 3. अब what is given in the question? You have to replace this star. अब you have to put the value. So by using the rule of test of divisibility by 3, you can put the value easily. What is the test of divisibility? If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, it means the number is divisible by 3. So let's check the sum. What is the sum? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus star plus 1 plus 7. Clear, students? So it will give 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 plus 7 17. So star 17 and star you cannot add plus star. So now take least possible number. You have to write down here that make this 17 to divisible by 3. So if you will put 0, so 0, 17 plus 0, student, 17, so it is not divisible by 3. So after 0 what you will put, because you have to choose the smallest number, after 0 you will check 1. If you will place 1, so it will become 17 plus 1. Now 17 plus 1 is 18, and 18 is also divisible by 3 6 times. So you can say that on star you will put the smallest number 1. Clear, student? If greatest is given in question, so you have to find out greatest. Now come on second question. 13. This is also same, based on same pattern. Replace the star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 11. Clear, student? So first, that day I explain you. First you write down the number 1 7 2 3 star and what? 4, and mark it. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Clear, students? Now the sum of the digits on odd places. The odd places, please. 1 plus odd place 3 to 2. Remember 1 2 3 4 5 is only marking. Next is 5 yani star. Clear, student? Yani odd number is first 1, second 2, and this one is star. Even you have to find out. Write down even. Sum of even number. Even is what? 7 plus 3 plus 4. Clear, student? Now find out the sum. 2 plus 1 and star. Yani 2 plus 1 3 plus star. And this one is 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 4 14. Clear, student? Acha. Now again what you have to do, you have to find out the difference. You have to find out the what? Difference. Difference of odd and even. Clear, student? So what is the result of odd? This is 3 plus star, and you have to subtract it. Subtract even minus 40. Clear, student? So what it will come? Students, there is a mistake in this question. If you have to check the test of divisibility by 11, so you will give the marking from ones place. Yani here you will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always remember this, students. If you have to check the test of divisibility by 11, so you have to mark the number from where ones place. Now up you have to check this one I written. So this is what? This is your even. This is your even. How even? You know that even place 6 is even. So on the place of 6 this is 1. 4 is even. On the fourth place 2. Now second is also even. 2 is also even. So on the place of 2 is a star. And this is all what? This is odd. This is little bit mistake. So on odd place 5 is odd, so here 7. And 3 is odd, so here 3. And 1 is odd, so here 4. Means you have to write down the position from the ones place. Now you have to find out difference. So here this is wrong. Difference odd minus even. Odd minus even. Clear, students? So what is the value of odd? This is 14. What is the value of even? Minus 3 minus star. Clear, students? So 14 minus 3, you know that 11. 11 minus star. Now you have to think what least number you will put here. That number is divisible by 11. You know that the test of divisibility by 11. If the difference of odd and even is equal to 0 or multiple of 11, then number is divisible by 11. Here you can see 11 is given. So 11 is also multiple of 11 and it is divisible by 11. So if you are putting here anything else, like if you want to put 1 least number, so it will come what? 10. So 10 is not multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. So you will put what smallest number? You will put 0. If you will put 0, the answer is 11. Means no change. So yani the least number you will put is 0. Clear, students? Why 0 I am using? If I am using any other digit, so the result is not the multiple of 11 are divisible by 11. Clear, students? So important thing is what? You have to start from what? From ones place. Clear, students? Now find the HCF using division method. Clear, students? So this is very important method. So now today I will teach you how to find out the HCF by division method. So now you can choose any two number. It's depend on you. Either first, second, either first, third, either second, third. So I'm choosing first and second. So first, how you have to find out? See, a last divisor is your answer. So it will go 1 times. It will come what? 391. Now 5 minus 1 4. 12 minus 9 3, or here 3 minus 3 0. Clear, students? Now again you will divide. Clear? So 34 1 ja 34. 9 minus 4 5. 3 minus 3 0. And this one is 51. फिर again once time 34 1 ja 34. 11 minus 4, students, you know that 7. You have to divide till 0 is come. 4 minus 3 1. Now again you will divide. This one what? 34. 34 you will divide. This is what? 17 2 ja 34. Now here you can say HCF of 391 and 425 is what? 17, because 17 is the last divisor which divide 34 totally. Now you have to check this 17. You have to find. Now again you will check the HCF of 17 and what number remains? 527. Clear, students? So check it. 17 527. So 17 1 ja 7, 17 2 ja 34. 12 minus 4 8. 4 minus 3 1. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स। फिर 17 1 जा 17, 8 minus 7 1, what remains here 7. Now 17 1 ja 17. Clear students? So you can say that 17 is the HCF of 391, 425 and 527. Clear students? Means you have to check by the division method. Easily you can find out. Clear students? Now students, our next question is question number 26, which is quite different. Find the greatest number which divides 211 and 2623, leaving remainder 9 and 5 respectively. This is different question. So student, if you have to find out greatest number, so what you will find out? Always remember, you will find out HCF, and HCF you can find out anyway. So here I am going to find out the HCF by students, here I am going to find out the HCF by long division method. Previously I explained this. So first, how you solve this question? First you will subtract the number which is given, 211 minus 9. Clear student? Because this is the remainder and this is remainder for this. So it will come what? 2002. Clear students? Now for this is the process how you will solve the question. First you will subtract the remainder from the given number. So here you will subtract, it will come 2618. Now you have to find out HCF. So you can use any method, but here I will use long division method because this is easy and very simple. So two numbers are given, 2002 and 2618. So this will come once time, this will 2002. Now 8 minus 2 6, फिर 1 6. Clear students? Now again what you have to do? You have to divide till 0 come. How many times it will go? You can see 1's place is 6. Here 1's place is 2. So if you will multiply by 3, so it will come. It's about 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja 3 4, 3 6 ja 18. Clear students? Here minus sign. 12 minus 8 4, 9 minus 4 5, and 9 minus 8 1. Clear students? So again you will divide it, 6 1 6. Clear students? Now student, you will divide 616 by 154. So 1's place is 4 and 1's place is 6. So you can think, if you multiply it by 4, so 4 4 ja 16. So 1's place is coming 16. So you can check 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 1 21, 4 1 ja 4, 5 6. Clear students? So here find the greatest number. You have to find out the greatest number. So what is the greatest number? You can write down greatest number equal to 154. Now if you will divide 211 by 154, remainder will come 9. If you will divide 2623 by 154, remainder will come 5. You can check. Clear students? Now again very important and different type of question, that is 33. A rectangular courtyard is 18 meter and 72 centimeter long and 13 meter 20 centimeter broad. It is to be poured with square tiles of the same size. Find the least possible number of such tiles. So students, what is given in the question? Simply you have to understand, if you have to make a home, matlab if anyone make a home, so how many tiles are needed or how many bricks are needed he want. So first he must know the area of the room and the size of the tiles. Clear student? So size of the tiles, how you can find out? So students, here area, first you find out area of the rectangular plot. So you know that area of the rectangle, easily you know that. In previous class also you study what is the area of the rectangle? L into B. Clear students? So here L into B you can find out. 18 meter and 72 centimeters given. So you know that first you have to convert in same quantity. So it will come 18 meter, yani it will become 18 multiplied by what? 100, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 72. So it will come what? 1872 centimeter. Clear, students? Or this is length. This is what? This is length. A breadth is what? Your breadth is 13 meter, yani 13 multiplied by 100 plus 20. So this will come what? 1320 centimeter. अब this is about the area of the rectangle. By multiply you can find out. Abhi here I am not finding out the area, only I retain the length and breadth. Clear, students? Now first you have to after this what you have to find out? Area of the maximum edge of the square tile. Maximum edge. Edge means you can understand side. Maximum edge of square tile. Clear, students? So how you can find out this? You can find out with the help of this one, the rectangular courtyard, the length of the courtyard and breadth of the courtyard. So find out, you have to find out maximum. I clear one thing, if you have to find out in this question greatest, so what you did? You did HCF by long division method or any other method you can apply. So here you have to find out maximum. Clear, student? So again you will find out what? HCF. So I am going to find out here what is given. 1320 and 1872. Clear, students? So find out, this will come 1 times. So 1320. Clear, students? So 2, 7 minus 2, 5, 8 minus 3, 5. Again you will divide it. 1320. So how many times it will go? It will go 2 times. 2 to the 4, 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10 or 11. 10 minus 4 6, फिर 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2. Clear, students? Now 552. Again you will divide. How many times? 2 times. 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2 3, 2 2 are 4. Do it carefully. This is long division. 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 5 minus 4 1. Now again you will divide it. 120. 1 ja, because if you will multiply by 2, so 2 0 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. This is greater, so 1 times 120. This will come 6. Sorry, 11 minus 2 9. Clear, students? Now 96. Again you will divide 120. This will come 1 times. This will come what? 10 minus 6 4. 11 minus 2 9. 11 minus 9 2. Clear, student? So 24. Now again you will divide. So this will go 4 times. Clear, students? So here you can say the HCF of 1872 and 1320 is what? 24. So you have to find out what? Maximum edge of square tile. So I explain maximum edge of square tile you can find out by taking out the HCF of 1320 and 1872. So what it comes? It comes 24 and unit is centimeter, because you convert everything in centimeter. Clear, students? Now again up you have to, what you have to do? You have to find out the maximum number of tiles. Clear, students? So what you will do? Equal to area of rectangle divided by area of square. Clear, students? So area of rectangle L into B, yani 1872 multiply by what? 1320 upon 24 multiply by 24. Clear, students? Now when you reduce it, then your answer will come. Clear? So I think you are able to reduce it. Clear? So this is the process. Now students, Our next exercise is 2e and one important formula. If you have to find out LCM, तो LCM equal to product of both number, यानी one number multiply by other number divided by their HCF. By one question I am going to explain. जैसे question is given HCF equal to 145, LCM equal to 2175, and one number equal to 725. Clear, students? Now you will use formula is LCM equal to one number into other number divided by HCF. So LCM is given what? 2175. One number is given what? One number is 725. Other number you don't know, so you can take X or A, B, C. So I am taking A, let's assume. And HCF is what? 145. Clear, students? Now, you have to solve this. So first you will divide this one by this, numerator by denominator. So if you will divide it, I think, so here they see, ones place is 5, ones place is 5. So multiply this number by any number, then ones place come 5. So 5 5 ja, you can check 5 5 ja 25. Yes, so you can check 5 5 ja 25, carry 5, carry 2, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 2 22, 5 1 ja 5 or 2 7. So yani 5 times you can divide it. Now 2175 divided by what? 5 equal to A. Now divide it. So this will come what? 5 4 ja 20, 1 remainder. So 1 and 7 become 17. 5 3 ja 15, 2 remainder. 5 5 ja 25. Clear, students? So yani the value of A is 435 and this is what? This is your other number. So on the basis of this formula, students, you can solve the question of HCF LCM. When one formula is given, you have to focus on that formula. Now our next question is, and 22 other is same. Student, I am explaining only the different type of question. Clear, students? Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leave 9 as the remainder in each case. So students, this type of question I explained previously, but here you have to find out what? Least number. And previous I explained what? Maximum number. So what is the difference? If you have to find out least number, so first you will find out the LCM and then you will add this remainder to them. And that question, what I did, I subtract, first I subtract, then I find out the HCF. So in this, what you will do, first you will find out the LCM. Least you have to find out 25, 40 and 60. So 25, 40 and 16. Clear, students? So 2, 25 is not divisible. 20 times, 30 times. For 2, 25 not divisible. 10, 15. For 2, 25 is not divisible. 5s are not divisible. Again what you will choose? You will choose 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 1 are 5. 5 3 are 15. फिर 3, 5, फिर 5. Now what is the LCM? LCM 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So this will come what? 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 5 ja 40, 3 ja 120, 5 ja 600. So HCF is 600. Now what I explain you, least number you have to find out, my students. So what you will do, least number equal to LCM plus remainder. Clear, students? So what is the LCM? LCM is 600 and remainder is what? 9. So answer is 609. Clear, students? Now you can check, just what is given. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40, 60 leaves 9 as the remainder. So divide it by 25. Let's check. 25 2 ja 50. 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 9. And 25 4 ja 100. Clear students? So what remains? You can see 9. Yani your answer is correct. Yani 609 is the correct answer. Clear students? So that's all about RS Agarwal. Now you can solve all the question and the different question I explain. So solve all the questions, students. Thank you. Students, here test of divisibility by 11 also will correct it. You will start from what? Here ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sum of the number in here is what? 9, 7. So sum of here you written even places. Clear? Because 9, 7, 8 odd places. Here you will write down odd places. So correct this. Matlab what is the main purpose? Let's say you have to start from ones place and marking you will give the marking from ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now odd places you have to check. First odd place is 8. So here put 8. Second place is what? Second odd place is 7. So put 7. And third odd place is 5 to 9. Clear student? So 24. And this is what? Even. So even places, even you can check. Even is 4 to 0. And another even is 2 to 2. And difference is you know that 22. So all is correct. Only you have to remember when you are going to do the marking, you have to start from ones place. So student, thank you.